I asked 10 random people on internet what is 10 minus 5 brackets 10 minus 5. Believe it or not, 9 out of 10 answered 25 to this question. And then I decided, okay, this is something that is not very common. So let us explain what is wrong and how to do it properly. I would like to ask you to like the video, subscribe the channel so that you can always stay ahead and watch the rest of the videos. Alright, the question says 10 minus 5 and then in brackets 10 minus 5. Now what most of them said is 10 minus 5 because they know that brackets have priority. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5 and we all agree with that. But then they said, okay, outside the brackets we have 10 minus 5 again. 10 minus 5 is indeed equal to 5. And now the sign between them is multiply, so 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Now this is where most of them made a mistake. Now, in order to do this properly, there is something that we call BIDMAS. BIDMAS stands basically for order of operation. And then this tells us that brackets have priority. And we all agree with that. Then after brackets we have indices. We do not have any indices over here. Then we have division and multiplication. They have equal priority. And then in the end we have addition and subtraction, which also have equal priority. But then what are they doing wrong? Let us see. So according to the order of operation, we know that brackets have priority. Alright, no problem. I will copy this. 10 minus 5, and then we know that this is multiplication, so we copy multiplication, and then 10 minus 5 in brackets is equal to 5. But then guys, we have multiplication here, so we know that multiplication has priority over subtraction. So in this step we have to multiply 5 by 5 first, which means 10 minus, and then 5 times 5 is 25. And then finally, now that we have positive 10 and negative 25, we can write it if it's easier for you. Positive 10, negative 25, we know that the answer will be negative, and then 25 minus 10 is 15. And it's all of that because we follow the order of operation. Now, if that is clear, then I have a question for you. I'd like you to try this one by yourself. If we say, for example, 7 minus 11, and then brackets we have 7 minus 11 again, then what is the answer? I will just remind you, the answer is not 1. Alright guys, that's it for today. Please make sure that you like the video and subscribe the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.